In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to input a form Instagram GoHighLevel integration. By the end, your Instagram ad leads will flow directly into GoHighLevel, land in the right pipeline stage, get tagged, and even submit into a GHL form if you want deeper tracking. Start inside your GoHighLevel account and head to Settings. Open into Integrations, then choose Facebook Form or Facebook Ads. Click Connect to authorize the integration and log into your Meta account when prompted. Make sure you select the correct Instagram account, the Facebook page tied to your ads, and the matching ad account. It helps to double check that you have admin access on all three and that you grant all requested permissions so lead syncing works reliably. If you manage multiple businesses, confirm you're picking the right business manager so the correct assets appear. Once the connection is active, stay in the Facebook form integration section. Click your Facebook page to access available forms. Turn on the toggle for Instagram lead forms, which enables syncing for leads generated by your Instagram ads. From there, choose the exact form you want to connect. If you have several forms with similar names, match the form used in your ad set to avoid syncing the wrong one. After you turn the toggle on, newly submitted leads will start flowing into GoHighLevel automatically. Next, assign what happens to each lead once it arrives. After enabling the form, choose a pipeline stage so leads land in the correct spot for your team's process. Add tags that help you segment and track performance, such as the campaign or offer name. Then select the workflow you want to send the lead to for follow-ups, and this is where your nurturing comes alive. Think instant texts or emails, internal notifications, and task creation. If you also want each Instagram lead to map into a GHL form for tracking or automations that depend on a form submission, add a few actions inside that same workflow. Use create or update contact to make sure every lead record is saved and deduplicated. Add send webhook if you need to push data to another tool or endpoint, and include submit form if your reporting or triggers rely on a native form submission inside GHL. That submit step is optional, but it's great for analytics and attribution. With that, every Instagram ad lead will move straight into your GoHighLevel system, organized, tagged, and ready for follow-up. If something doesn't sync, revisit the page selection, confirm the Instagram toggle is on, and recheck the meta connection. You're all set.